So we have here the dust shield, yung itim, and then the nose piece. The nose piece holds the three objectives. You have there the shortest, So, hi guys! So, welcome sa aking channel, Dreamer's Notebook. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you the history and parts and functions of microscope. So, sa history muna tayo. And before we continue, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-update tayo sa ating mga bagong videos. So, let's get started. So, I have here 5 scientists who invented, discovered, and started their journey in the microscope history or background. So, we have here first si Hans and Zacharias Janssen who first invented, okay? Invented, okay, the microscope. Hindi pa yan microscope na ganito, ha? Okay? Yan. So, kailan yan? 1590s. Okay, mag-ama sila nag-invent ng microscope. Next, Robert Hooke. So, after ng invention ng microscope, nagkaroon ngayon si Robert Hooke ng first use. Siya yung unang nakagamit ng microscope during 1667. Alright? After the invention, okay, tapos siguro nagkaroon ng first use of the compound microscope, ganito na yung itsura niya. So, kailan yun? 1667. After Robert Hooke, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, 1667, ngayon Anton van started 1665. He first observed the bacteria, mga unicellular cells and bacteria. After nyan, Ernest Abbe, he discovered that the microscope needs a condenser. Ano yung condenser? We call it Abbe condenser. Saan siya makikita? Sa ilalim ng stage. Okay, Abbe condenser or iris condenser. Kasi kapag wala siyang condenser, hindi na condense yung light. Kasi yung from the light ng mirror or the light, masyadong maliwanag. So it needed to be condensed and able to see the specimen in the stage. Next, lastly, we have the Ernest Ruska. Ernest Ruska discovered and invented the electron microscope during 1938. Alright, so we have the Zacharias Janssen, Robert Hooke, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, Ernest Abbe, and Ernest Ruska. After ni Ernest Ruska, dire-diretso na yan. Nagkaroon na ng iba't ibang dimension ng microscope, iba't ibang functions and parts and function na medyo level up na yung kanyang specifications. So let's get here. Alright, I have here the compound microscope. Okay, parts and functions na tayo, ha. So the parts and functions of microscope, meron tayong dalawa. Okay, the mechanical, and then we have the magnifications or observation parts. Okay, so doon muna tayo sa mechanical. Mechanical consists of the body tube. Okay, body tube holds the ocular or the eyepiece. Okay, body tube. Okay, body tube. And then we have the neck. Alright? We have the neck. Yan. From the neck, you have the inclination joint. Okay? Yung parang may bakal dyan. And then you have there the base. Alright? Those are the mechanical part. Now, let's go with the magnifying part or observation part. So, observation, you have there the eyepiece. Eyepiece, I have here 12.5x or we call it 12.5 magnification. So, we have, sa mga meron niyang 5 magnification, 10 magnification, and then ang pinakamataas is 12.5. Ngayon, pagdating dito, you have there two knobs. Alright? The two knobs, meron tayong dalawa. We have here the coarse adjustment knob. When you roll against you, the body tube and the eyepiece, okay, goes up. So kapag ni-roll mo siya against you, when you scroll it against you, papunta sa'yo, pull of this goes up. When you roll it not against you, palayo, bababa naman siya. Okay? You have the force adjustment knob. Okay? Para saan ito? This one, you should be able to see the specimen but not clearly. Alright? Next, fine adjustment knob. So kapag ginanon mo siya, makikita mo na yung specimen. Okay? After that, if you fine adjustment knob mo siya, para mag-sharpen yung image. Okay? Para maging clear. Okay? And then we have here the dust shield and then the nose piece. Okay, dust shield and the nose piece are 2-in-1. Okay? So we have there the dust shield, yung itim, and then the nose piece. The nose piece holds the three objectives. You have there the shortest, low power objective, and then when you roll it, makiklik siya, click. Okay, low power. This one is the medium power, and then you have there the high power. Low power, medium power, and high power. Okay, so may laman mo kapag okay na siya, makiklik siya, and then you move the objectives to see or to observe the specimen. Okay, objectives, low power, high power, and medium power. Alright, let's go with the stage. Stage holds the, what is this? We call it microscope slide. Sa gitna nilalagay yung specimen. Alright? And then, lalagay mo siya sa gitna. Yan, dapat nakatapat siya sa light, dun sa loob. Okay? That would be, this is the stage clip. Okay, stage clip. Yan. Para kapag minumove mo siya, mag-move din yung slides. Stage clip. Okay, ayan siya, lalaro. Medyo maluwang ng ating stage clip. Anyways, yan. Sa ilalim, yan, you have there the condenser. Okay, iris condenser. And then you have there the mirror. Sa compound microscope kasi, students, ang gamit is mirror to reflect the light from the environment. Kapag medyo electrical microscope siya or light microscope, meron siyang light bulb. So, ito-turn on mo lang siya, may ilaw ka na. Okay? I hope you get that. So, you have there the eyepiece, body tube, the neck, okay, the neck, inclination joint, the base, force adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, the dust shield, nose piece, objectives, stage clip, alright, Abe condenser, and then you have the mirror or the light source. Yan. So, I hope you understand all of the parts and functions of the microscope. Okay? So, any question? Okay? If you have questions, further questions, you can comment down below kung ano yung mga questions nyo na gusto nyo itanong sa akin about the parts and functions of the microscope. And then before we end, so don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Ako ang yung teacher, Sir Matthew Tibangkaya. So, see you guys next week. Bye-bye!